How to trim a video on CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see a quick and easy way to trim a video on CapCut PC. So I've got this video right here. What I'm going to do is simply go ahead and play the video for you guys. And as you can see, it's a pretty normal video. So let's say if I want to cut the part or trim the video right when the video isn't zoomed in, what I can do is just click on the video and then I can just move this and cut the part right up until here so that the video starts right where it zooms in. So this is the first thing that you can do. The other thing that you can do is just go ahead and select the part of the video that you want to trim. Let's say if I want the video to start from here, I don't want this part right from the start. I can use this icon right here to split the video, or you could just click on this drop down, click on split, and then chop the video right around here. Click on it. Now the video has been split into two parts. Then you can just select the first part of the video and then tap on delete, or just click on this delete icon. Once that is done, the video is going to be starting from the zoomed in part. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you basically trim the video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.